Just one cookie. Uh-oh. The fridge is alive. I told you we shouldn't have cooked at 3 a.m. We make fine dining.
And I make fine stealing.
Real chefs don't measure.
Dog? That's not seasoning, that's fire.
Real chefs don't measure.
Dog? That's not seasoning, that's fire.
My souffle's collapsing.
My tail's on fire!
Time's up. Let's taste.
It's art.
It's crunchy glue. Winner, winner, chicken dinner.
Next episode, cooking with fire again.